Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fusion headlight. First, ensure your car is parked safely with the engine off. You'll need a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver for this task. Begin by opening the hood and finding the two 10mm bolts situated directly above the headlight assembly. These bolts secure the entire headlight unit in place, so removing them is your initial step to gain access. Once the two 10mm bolts are removed, carefully pull the headlight assembly straight forward. It's held in by a few clips, so a firm but gentle tug should release it. Be mindful not to force it, as you don't want to damage any plastic components. After the assembly is free, locate the electrical connector at the back. Press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight off to fully detach the assembly. With the headlight assembly in hand, you'll see the bulb's socket at the back. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it. Now, gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan, so avoid touching the glass. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket. After the new bulb is in place, twist its socket clockwise to lock it securely into the headlight housing. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its opening, ensuring all clips align and engage properly. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two 10mm bolts. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Test your new headlight to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.